Hello and welcome to Wind Up Races. This is a series of races run in pairs against with Ethel. This is Ethel, the green spot. This is Gladys with the dark blue spot. And of course we've got little Willie Shakespeare, all ready to go. We're going to run the first race between Ethel and Gladys, and then the winner will race against Willie. So we're just winding up Gladys now. Bit awkward this. Now winding up Ethel. Oops. Go on Ethel, keep still. Okay. Both getting ready. Both fully wound. Whoop. Onto the start line. And away we go. Close race. Looks like Ethel. Yep. It's Ethel, the winner there. Whoops. There goes Gladys. And Ethel, clear winner there. Excellent. Okay. We'll put Gladys to one side. Get Ethel ready. And we'll wind up Willie. Okay, Willie's fully wound, and Ethel for a second run, fully wound. Okay, here we go then. This should be close. Ready, steady, go. Whoa, and Willie's off on a tangent, and Ethel's a clear winner. Well done, Ethel. Come back, Willie, come back. Come back. Oops, he's gone. Okie doke. Oh, still going. And your winner, ladies and gentlemen, Ethel. Yay! Thank you very much, and good night.